Hello, I am Andolo, and in this video I will show you how to make the Valorant green screen effect, also known as the unmoving plaid effect, in Unreal Engine 5. First, make a material, then import the image you're going to use. Then double click on the material. In the material editor, search for texture sample. Drag the RGB to the base color and add your image to the texture sample. Then search for screen position. Then drag viewport UV to the UV on the texture sample. And now we are done. As you can see, it works perfectly. I will apply the material to this object, and as you can see, it works. Thanks for watching the video. I hope the video could help you.